Weld preheating can send costs and schedules out of control. Harness the heat with an ArcReach heater. It's powered by select ArcReach power sources. You can utilize an existing welding fleet to insource preheating. Without using open flame or resistance methods, you'll control costs, stay on schedule, and have safer job sites. ArcReach heaters are easy for welders to use. They improve productivity. No more waiting for third-party contractors for resistance preheating. And no more hassles and costs of dealing with open flame. With ArcReach heaters, you take back complete control of your preheat and welding processes, helping keep projects on time and on budget. Setup is quick and easy, and within minutes, the workpiece is ready to weld. Resistance or flame can take hours. Induction makes preheating faster because heat is generated within the workpiece, not on its surface, so the workpiece heats quickly, consistently, and more thoroughly. And job sites stay safer without open flame and other risks of burn injuries. To ensure joint quality, temperature and feedback allows the system to produce consistent controlled heat. Its built-in data recorder means you'll have documentation of the temperature every time. That's something you can't get with flame heating. ArcReach Heating Systems from Miller, the solution you need to harness the heat.